So, you want to be a wedding planner. Well, I don't blame you. I have been obsessed with the wedding and events industry ever since I was a teenager. I've spent years reading books and blogs. I earned a 4-year degree from a very prestigious university, and then I went on to attend classes with trade schools. I served as an apprentice, and I worked my way up through this industry for over 2 decades, only to realize I had no idea what I was doing or how to start my own wedding planning business, because nothing in my formal education or my previous work experience had prepared me for the risk and the responsibility that comes with starting my own business. I've been where you are, and I know how it feels to be so close to your dream, but just not sure where to begin. And that's why I'm so proud to offer you this course. You don't need to waste thousands of dollars or months in a classroom. The Business Blueprint for Wedding Planners is a course designed to help guide you through the steps that you absolutely need to take in order to get your business up and running. By signing up today, you can stop thinking about owning your business in a someday sort of way, and you'll be able to open a business that you are passionate about, that you are proud of, and most importantly, that's profitable. So, if you're ready to start your own wedding planning business, click the link below. I cannot wait to welcome you into the industry.